Good afternoon, friends. My name is Rakesh Doshi, lecturer of Raigad College of Pharmacy. Today's topic: the molecular orbital structure of benzene, then resonance and stability and orbital structure of the benzene. Okay, let's start. The molecular orbital structure of benzene. These are the various structure written for benzene. These are molecular formula of benzene C6H6. Okay. Then Kekule structure of the benzene. Then these are the various angles and bond distance. Okay, between carbon to carbon. Okay, carbon to carbon angle 120 degree. Then carbon to carbon distance 139 pm. Then carbon to hydrogen distance 109 pm. Okay. Benzene consists of a planar hexagon of 6 carbon atom. All carbon bonds equal in length 1.40 angstrom unit. Then carbon bond angles of 120 each. Okay. Then orbital structure of benzene. Benzene molecular formula C6H6. Okay. These are the Kekule structure. Then planar hexagonal bond length 140 pm. Then sigma bond sp2 hybridized orbital. Benzene form sp2 hybridization. In this hybridization, 6 pz orbital. Okay. Then delocalization pi bond system. These are the simple benzene ring structure. Okay, simplified depletion. Then hybridization of benzene. Benzene was hybridized, sp2 hybridized. In this case, shows sp2 hybridization of the benzene. Okay, this one electron and this one p orbital. Okay. All carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized because the carbon are linked with the other carbon atom with the double bond. Hence carbon has only 2p are free to join. Hence 1p orbital linked with the other carbon atom by sigma linkage and 1p orbital linked with the hydrogen atom by sigma linkage to form sp2 hybrid structure. Okay, these are the description of the sp2 hybridization of the benzene. Then the Kekule structure of the benzene. German chemist Friedrich August Kekule von Standonis, these are the discovered the Kekule structure of the benzene. The structure of benzene containing 3 cyclic conjugated double bond is systematically called 135 cyclohexatriene. These are the simple structure of the benzene. Okay, these are the Kekule structure of the benzene. Okay. The structure of benzene is a resonance hybrid of two Lewis structure with the dashes lines of the the dashes line of the hybrid indicating the position of the pi bond. Okay. Then resonance structure of phenol. In this case, when electron donating group attached to the benzene and gives electron density to ortho and para position. Okay. Ortho and para position, hence produce resonance structure as follows. These are the resonance structure formation of a phenol. Then a resonance structure of the benzoic acid. When electron withdrawing group attached to the benzene, it withdraws electron density from the benzene to produce positive side at ortho and para position. Okay, this ortho and para position. Hence benzoic acid produces following resonance structure. In this case, delocalization of the electron on the ortho and para position. Okay. Today's lecture reflection spot. Write down the definition of resonance and resonance energy. This question write down in your notebook. Okay. Previously lecture in second semester discuss definition of the resonance and resonance energy. Okay, write down the answer. Let's go. Resonance energy and stability. Resonance description of benzene. Resonance, the phenomena in which two or more structure can be written for a substance which involve identical position of atom is called as a resonance. In this case, written by various similar structure, okay, identical structure is called as a resonance. Actual structure is called as a resonance agreed. Then alternating structure is called resonance structure. Okay. Resonance energy. Resonance energy is a measure of how much more stable a resonance hybrid structure than extreme resonance structure. Okay, these are the all definition of the resonance and resonance energy. Then stability of a benzene. Benzene is a more stable molecule. Okay, in the chemical. These are the chart form. Stability of benzene. In these various chemicals are shown. 1,3-cyclohexadiene, then benzene, then cyclohexene. Okay. In this first case, 1,3-cyclohexadiene. Okay. In this energy observed 28.6. Then cyclohexadiene. Okay. Cyclohexadiene energy observed 55.4 and expected energy 57.2. In this case, less difference. Okay, difference shown. Hence, less stable than the benzene. Okay, in this benzene case, energy observed 49.8. Okay, and expected energy absorbed 85.8. In this case, more difference occur, means more stable than the other. Okay, other chemical. Second one, benzene does not undergo addition reaction, typical of the highly unsaturated compound including conjugated dienes. Okay, these are the reactions does not occur. Benzene does not react with bromine gas to yield an addition product. Instead, in the presence of Lewis acid, bromine substitute for a hydrogen atom, yielding a product that retains the benzene. Okay, again benzene ring was formed. Reference from for the lecture. Organic Chemistry, Morrison and Boyd, page number 318 onward. Okay. Then next textbook of Organic Chemistry by Bahl and Bahl, chapter number 35, and PowerPoint presentation benzene and its derivative from SlideShare by Assistant Professor Ganesh Mote sir. Okay. Today's lecture homework: read and prepare notes on molecular and orbital structure of benzene, then calculate structure, resonance energy and stability, and tomorrow overview on the topic of structural, synthetic and analytical evidences, then aromaticity and Huckel rule. Okay, just overlook by using reference book. Okay, thank you very much.